Hello everyone, my name is Jamal, and in today's video we're going to be talking about mastering data visualizations. So no time to waste, let's dive right in. So the most important area of the dashboard is the top left hand corner. This is because we read from left to right, top to bottom, so we know the top left is where the eyes of the user will go to, and as a result the orientation, position and placement of visuals is the most powerful and effective visual variable. For this reason, all of the key metrics and KPIs have been placed at the top, and the placement is based on how important it is. The headline stats on the left are showing the percentage year-on-year change, while on the right-hand side, the stats are showing the conversion rates for the specific year. Both stats have been conditionally formatted to change color based on whether the percentage change has gone up or down over the past 2 years. The first chart on the left-hand side shows a running total of student applications, offers, and registrations for each month. This chart can quickly show the performance of each step of the recruitment process when comparing each of the lines. The point of this visual is to encourage curiosity. The two charts on the middle of the page here is there to show the best and the worst performing courses based on the number of registrations, and I have used a bar chart to show this. It is more difficult to estimate the value of an object based on the size or volume of a shape. Bar charts are better because we underestimate shapes when they are larger in terms of ratio, and we are better at guessing lengths rather than shapes. I have also added to show the differences between both the years, so the user does not have to calculate this in their minds. We must consider the level of effort required to decode and understand a visual, as readers have a finite amount of brain power. To be successful, the designer should aim to make the visualization less effort to decode and use the brain power to understand instead. For example, I have color-coded the bars to green to represent growth and red to show decline. The bottom left chart is showing the top 6 ranked countries with the highest number of registration. It is showing the count, the percentage year-on-year difference with conditional formatting, and finally the percentage total share. The blue strip on the right hand side shows the registrations divided by a dynamic world map, a country banding bar chart, and gender demographics. The world map is quite cool when it spins around. The color levels or color saturation chosen here is a good choice because our minds are attuned to building an order and connection between the colors due to its similarities. The darker colored countries have a higher volume of registrations than the lighter shaded countries. In this chart here, since the categories are in different bandings, the hue color option is ideal here. These are just some of the key elements of what to consider when designing a dashboard. If you have any questions or would like me to be involved in any of your projects within your organization, feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.